How much does a 40 by 40 red iron building with 2 lean-tos cost?
In this video, we'll break it down. Welcome back to the pack, y'all. This is Adil from WolfSteel Buildings, and we're here with Sarah.
Hey guys.
So in this video, we're going to be breaking down, or actually pricing out, a 40 by 40 metal building that was recently constructed in Cleburne, Texas. This is a weld up red iron building. And if you want to know a lot more details about this building, we did a tour. So I did the tour.
Of course.
And I talked a lot about the construction, the materials, the attributes of this building, how it's being used. So don't forget to check out that tour, and it's going to be in the description and the link above, and also in the description box below. We've had a lot of interest for this product, and unfortunately we still don't have a lot of information on our website, and that is something we're working on. Do you want to talk a little bit more about it, Sarah?
Yeah, so right now we are on the back end working up our website, adding everything about the details of the red iron, you know, all the pictures that we like to put in there. So our marketers are doing a lot right now to working that up, but stay tuned because where your updates are gonna come in is on these videos. So we're gonna keep updating you every video where we're at with the website, when it's gonna launch, all that good stuff. So make sure that you keep up to date on our videos.
Awesome. And also we do offer concrete, and that is also not on our website. We're still working on all that. So, but we are just builders. So reach out to
We need to get together with our website.
So reach out to us if you have any questions. We're here to help. Now let's get straight to business. In this case, for this 40 by 40 red iron metal building, this is 16 foot on the eaves with 2 lean-tos. The price for this building is
$46,570.
And that is all installed and welded up and put together on your level site, okay? So let's now break it apart. So this is for the main structure, a 40 by 40 metal building. So 40 wide, 40 long, 16 foot on your eaves. We do have a custom 612 beautiful pitch.
Ah, it's my favorite. It's
Yes.
beautiful.
Check out the video, you'll see how beautiful it is. I really enjoyed it. It also has a custom 1 foot overhang on the front and the back.
Yes, and also too, I do really want to put point to this is all of the red iron buildings that we do build, it's gonna be 26 gauge PBR panel, and that's also 26 gauge trim. So you're gonna have that heavy duty sheeting. Also too, the sheeting will have all colored screws on the outside, so you don't have any sore eyes or anything that is, you know, popping out. It's gonna all match, it's all gonna flow beautifully. Do you want to tell them about the lean-tos?
Yeah, absolutely. So the lean-to on the, I think it's on the left-hand side, is going to be 15 wide and 40 long. It comes down from a 16 to a 14 foot tall. And then on the right-hand side,
on the right-hand side,
that is a 10 foot wide. It also comes down to 14 foot tall. And it goes the same length as the main structure. And then we also have, for openings for this main structure, we have a 12 by 14 in the I think it's in the right or the left hand side.
Yes.
And it's actually on the back as well, because the customer wants to just simply be able to drive through. He does do a lot of activities in the back of that building, so that's why he wanted to just drive through.
Makes it easy peasy.
Easy peasy. And then there is another 12 by 12 opening to the right of it. And these openings, the customer is going to be installing their own overhead doors. I think he wanted more like a cedar or like kind of like a wood. Pretty pricey, very custom doors. So, you know, you can definitely do that. We frame it out and you can put in your own doors. You want to talk a little bit more about the other item?
Yeah, so he did have one 36 by 84 walk-in door. That's a steel door, completely solid steel door, insulated. And he did do custom openings for his windows. So if you guys reach out to us and let us know that you already have windows in mind or even have windows that you want to provide, you can let us know the sizes of the windows and we can make sure to make that frame out, make sure the trim is all there, and it just is easy for you to install.
Or even let us know and we'll install them too.
That is true, that is true. And then I do want to let you guys know, I did forget on my end, this pricing is including the labor, the material, and the equipment. The only thing it's not including is the taxes, because that is obviously your area with the tax rate, all that good stuff. But that is the ending price, nothing too crazy, but that is just for the building because we did not do the concrete for this job.
Perfect. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and also leave us any feedbacks. If you leave any comments in the description below, we'll answer them really quick, as well as sometimes we actually apply your feedback with the type of videos we're creating or how we even are performing to make sure that we're providing a lot of value to you guys.
Correct, and make sure you guys stay tuned because we will give you updates on the website.
Awesome. Take care, guys. See you next time.
Thanks.